Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robotic cleaning. We'll be comparing two top contenders in the robot vacuum and mop category, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 and the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. So let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 is priced at $449, while the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra comes in at $1,599. As you can see, there's a significant price difference between the two. If you're on a budget, the Braava Jet M6 might be the more affordable option for you. Now let's talk about cleaning performance. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 is designed for mopping hard floors including hardwood tile and stone. It uses VSLAM navigation to learn the layout of your home and build personalized smart maps, allowing it to efficiently clean in neat rows. You can even target specific areas for hands-free mopping. On the other hand, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra offers both vacuuming and mopping capabilities. It features a dual rubber brush system for a thorough cleaning effect and a more powerful suction of 6,000 pascals. With its VibraRise 2.0 mopping system, it provides high-speed scrubbing and consistent mopping pressure for deep and effective cleaning. When it comes to smart features, both the Braava Jet M6 and the S8 Pro Ultra have a lot to offer. The Braava Jet M6 comes with smart mapping, allowing you to decide where and when it cleans in your home. It also suggests personalized schedules based on your cleaning habits. Additionally, it has keep-out zones to avoid sensitive areas. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra offers advanced features like Reactive 3D obstacle avoidance. It uses 3D structured light and infrared image technology to identify and bypass unknown objects on the floor. With its litter navigation and 3D mapping, it generates detailed maps for more accurate and customized cleaning. The S8 Pro Ultra also has an intuitive app and voice control support, giving you total control over the robot with features like auto-emptying, schedule cleaning, and more. Moving on to additional features, the Braava Jet M6 focuses on mopping and is ideal for larger spaces. It can navigate around objects and clean under furniture. It even has a recharge and resume feature, ensuring it completes the cleaning job even if the battery runs low. Meanwhile, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra offers an all-in-one docking system that automatically completes the mop washing and drying process. It can hold up to 7 weeks of dust in its large dust bag and even cleans and refills itself. The S8 Pro Ultra also has liftable brushes and a mop, allowing for separate vacuuming and mopping tasks. Overall, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 has received mixed reviews. Some users have experienced issues with broken components and deteriorating navigation and software over time. However, they appreciate its setup, integration with other devices, and overall functionality. On the other hand, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra has received positive reviews for its reliable performance, advanced mapping capabilities, and effective vacuuming and mopping functions. So which one should you choose? Well, it ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're primarily looking for a robot mop with smart mapping capabilities, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 might be the right choice for you. On the other hand, if you want a versatile robot vacuum and mop combo with advanced features like Reactive 3D obstacle avoidance, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is worth considering. Remember to weigh the pros and cons of each product and decide which features are most important to you. That's it for today's comparison. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Buy Smart videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.